If you're running Google Ads and feel like you're spending money without knowing what it's doing, you're not alone. There's one report most advertisers ignore or misunderstand. It's costing them thousands of dollars in wasted clicks. It's called the Search Terms Report. Whether you're running search, shopping, or even Performance Max, this one tool shows you exactly what users typed into Google before clicking onto your ad. This video is part of the Smarter Google Ads 2025 series, where we'll show you how to run a cleaner, more profitable account without guesswork. Today, I'll show you how to use the Search Terms Report like a pro. From cutting out junk traffic to uncovering high-performance terms you can scale. Let's jump in. If you bid on custom closets with phrase match, you could show up for terms like IKEA, custom closet dimensions, or cheap closet kits, even though those aren't your ideal clicks. Where to find the Search Terms Report in search and shopping campaigns, you have to go to Keywords and then Search Terms. In Performance Max, go to Insights and then Search Terms. So what do you need to add before you analyze? Add these columns: search term, keyword, conversion cost, conversion value, then filter by conversions equals to 0. If cost is greater than your typical CPA, or your match type equals broad or phrase. So the next part will be identifying junk search terms. Now that you're looking at the terms that cost money but don't convert, some will be irrelevant, some will be competitor names, and some will attract the wrong type of buyer. For example, if one of your top spending terms is IKEA custom closet, you'll want to exclude it. To do that, select the search term, click Add as a negative keyword, and choose to exclude it at the campaign, ad group, or shared list level. And here's a pro tip: if a bad phrase keeps showing up, add it in phrase match using quotes. This blocks all terms that include it. Or if you repeatedly see a single bad word showing up, add it in broad match by removing the brackets. So now we need to find the highest performing search terms. Not all surprises are bad. You might find a term like built-in wooden closets performs better than you originally targeted. In that case, add it as an exact match keyword and consider building a dedicated ad group or campaign around it. This helps you do the following: reduce wasted ad spend, increase return on ad spend, improve conversion rates, and much more. So which threshold should you use? One of the most common questions that we get is how many clicks is enough to judge a term? So here's a simple rule of thumb. If you're getting 3 or more clicks but 0 conversions, that is a candidate for a negative keyword. If you're getting 2 conversions, low cost per conversion, consider adding it as an exact match. If you're getting high impressions but low CTR and no clicks, consider tightening match types or refining ad copy. You're looking for patterns, not perfection. If something feels off, trust your judgment, but make sure there's enough data behind it. Give new terms time to prove themselves before cutting them. And remember, some junk terms slip through, even with exact match and 25,000 negatives. Google's match behavior isn't always precise, and that's why this review process isn't a one-time task. It's a recurring system. Dealing with other search terms, if you see a row labeled other search terms, that's Google hiding some of your data. They claim it's due to privacy or low volume, but there's no way to unlock this completely. If you improve your targeting based on what is visible, the algorithm can begin showing you better matches. So what's new in Performance Max? Well, the good news is Performance Max now shows search term insights. Even better, you can now add negative keywords at this account level. This gives you more control than ever before, especially if PMax used to feel like a black box. Apply the same tactics to shopping. Shopping campaigns also rely on search terms, even though you don't set keywords directly. If you see terms like free closet organizer PDF or something like that, clean up your product titles, descriptions, and add those as negatives too. So here's the next step: budget control and search term cleanup. Once your campaign is running, your goal is control without micromanaging. Now that Google shows search terms and allows negatives inside PMax, use that. Check your search terms weekly and remove anything irrelevant or wasteful. Go ahead and monitor placements to exclude junk inventory, especially mobile apps. So the search term report is one of the most powerful tools in Google Ads. It lets you see behind the curtain of search, shopping, and Performance Max. If you've been skipping it, you're definitely leaving money on the table. And if you've gotten value from this video, hit subscribe. We post a detailed Google Ads walkthrough every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.